Alright guys, today we talk about rocking around the Christmas tree and we start from the intro section. I will play slowly these B chords. These are intervals of minor and major thirds. So I will start with the major third intervals with ring finger and index finger. Again. Then major third again, minor third, and major third. Let's take a look to the A section. In order to have the right rockabilly, let's say, sound, it's very important to use the palm muting technique with the right hand palm. So stop a little bit the strings here, close to the bridge, not too much. So in the A section I have two walking bass starting from A flat and E flat and basically three riffs that we will talk about later. So the first bass line starting from A flat, second bass line starting from E flat. The first lick that we will talk about is this one. We slide more or less from the third fret. The second riff with middle finger and ring finger. And this is the final lick with index and middle finger. So I will play the A section slowly. Let's take a look now to the B section, which starts with a bass line in D flat, then C minor, then octaves starting from F, so 8th fret, 5th string, and 10th fret, 3rd string, going down chromatically. Right after I have, which is basically B flat 7 without the root. I just play the minor 7, the 3rd and the 5th with a little hammer on with a minor 3rd and major 3rd. So it sounds like this. So let's repeat till here. D flat bass line, C minor, octaves, B flat, and then I have this little bass line chromatically going down like so from E flat, D, D flat, C. So I will play the whole B section slowly.